Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll be working on the BMW E46 and we'll show you how to use those tools. You can get them on eBay for removing the fan, the manual fan, the one that's on the belt, guys. If you need to do a thermostat replacement or something, we recommend using those. Otherwise, you might damage a lot of things trying to remove the fan. They're like 10 bucks, heavy duty. Let me show you their build really good. Okay, you can see it's really thick, it feels really good. You cannot bend it at all, and it comes with a 32mm as well that you're going to use to remove the fan. Stay with us, guys. We will demonstrate how they work and how easy it is to remove the fan with that thing. Alright guys, so the tools now, you can see it has a short side and a long side. So depending how the water pump stops, there is four bolts. So that will fit on the long side, that will fit on the short side here. Okay, and that's the one I'm talking about. We're going to access it through right here. Okay, I'm gonna get it on top of the nut. Okay, 1 second now. Lock it in place, and now with this one, you're gonna take it off. Okay, we're gonna go clockwise. It's reverse threaded. Okay, so if you go clockwise, okay, the fan should be loose now. Okay, let me check all the way. Yep, the fan is loose, just like that. Okay, and we'll pull this one up together with the fan, and you need to install it later with the fan. Okay, this is the fan clutch. Now it's the time to wash it to make sure that it's performing right, because otherwise that oil and stuff will make your clutch not get hot and cool enough fast, so it will not be very responsive. So you can see it's pretty easy, guys, using the tools. We put everything together already, working on it now. So yeah, that will save you quite a bit of trouble. Even if you go to the parts store, just a 32mm wrench will be super expensive. So for 10 bucks, I can't complain. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.